Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndominium, and today we're going to do the oil on top of our cob floor for our bathroom. We did a video the other day, and we were putting it down. So we're going to use the same oil system that we used to do the main floor in the house, the one that cracked and we did the blue lines. The cob is different, different clay, different sand. It's the same sand that's actually, you kind of see it, but it's the same sand that we put in our plaster. So Claylin oil is what we're going to be using. It's going to be closer to Sakita's method. Last time we did two different ones because I did the floor at two different times, the oil. So it ended up a little bit different. But this time we'll be only using an orange solvent at the end. If I went true to the method, we're supposed to slowly cut it at the last layer. At the last layers. But we're just going to put a little bit in at the very last layer. We're doing about an inch of cob. So that's what we will be filling up when we do this method. And we'll be doing it all day today, and so we'll do an update video on that after everything is done, so you can see kind of what the color will be. And then as that cures over the next couple of weeks, it'll get it'll get lighter and lighter and lighter, and we'll show that too. It'll be drying while I'm in Marfa, Texas over the weekend with Simon Gonzalez. We're going to go take a look at some historic 1800s adobe structures out there, and Simon's actually going to be doing a workshop. He's pretty involved with the political adobe movement out there because of the high taxes and stuff like that. So he's going out to just do some community work, and so that means we won't show you what this floor looks like, or maybe even do another update till next week. So let's go ahead and do a little update right now. So we're going to go out and we're going to show a little bit more about our laundry room. We are a little bit farther along now. I actually have the door in one of the windows, so it's a 10 by 10. It'll have natural lighting through the their U panel is the shape of the panel, but it's a fiberglass panel. Bring some sunlight in. You can see we have the door frame built. It's notched in at the top is where the actual frame will be. This wood over here that I built, the extension, is all Eastern red cedar, and that's just a pine board right there for the post. Behind it, so that window right there, so this window right here will go into this wall, and the reason we chose that window is because it is high enough for our laundry to go out the window on a laundry line. So one of the ones where you turn it and you pull it, and there's a pulley, and then the laundry will go out to the post, wherever it is, right through the window. And right where this door is where we're going to put the dryer. So it'll be refrigerator, freezer, washer, dryer, and then that way you can take the laundry right out of the dryer or the washer and hang it up on the line and let it just go out the window. So you're just going to open that and then hook the laundry line up. So that's something that my wife really, really wanted, and so we were pretty sure we could make it happen. If we didn't talk about these last time, these are our natural pigment paints. So we made this from shellac, and this is just 3 different colors of the actual pigment. We added a little titanium white into, or titanium dioxide, I think is what the pigment is called, just to lighten it up a bit so we can get some more hues out of it. We're not sure what we're going to do, but we'll most likely be painting on the inside of this, and maybe doing some burning. Y'all have seen the torch work, but we'll walk around the outside and do a little better view. So, like I said, this window will be here, facing out towards those trees. This will be our door. It'll go in here. We wanted enough glass because the kids will play down here underneath this big shed extension next to the kitchen and the dining room. And then like half of this wall will be glass. And there will be like a laundry table here. And another cool thing about this, you're going to have to excuse wherever my camera is being pointed at the moment. But I did talk about it last time. It's a root cellar. I don't know how effective this root cellar is going to be, but it is surrounded by dirt, and it is dug, 30 inches into the ground or something. I have this little thing here, you see. Let me get some of this stuff off the top. So it's a series of boards cut in the middle, and there's all framework under here. My idea is just to put a bigger rug over all the boards and roll them back. My current system has staples. It's just not sturdy enough. So it'll be changing. But see, so what you do is you just kind of roll all this back. Oh, yeah, roll all this back with one hand is exactly what I was imagining. So there we go. We have everything rolled back. And it's a pretty big space. It's 60 inches by 64 inches, or no, 54 inches. And that's it, really. I mean, the ground is actually cold. Until I finish off the walls and put some, actual kind of structure up here, this temperature won't regulate itself. But hopefully I can keep it below 80 degrees eventually, and we could store at least wine in here in the 70 degree range. If we can get it below 70, that'd be even better. I can do all kinds of stuff in there. So that's that project in here, and let's walk around to the side. We only did a little bit. Sorry, it's been raining, so I had to put all my stuff under here. But we did show the rock wall a little bit. I bought all this stuff real cheap online and just put it in with structural screws. So I made a little rock wall with a climbing rope on one side. And the color is all created by that torch effect. And I just did a real nice shellac. And you can see that I've already started on this side. So we're going to go all the way up with that same design. You can kind of see it here in its raw form. Right there. And that's it. This side will probably have a outdoor shower where this ladder is. And then I'm going to make a platform of, these little paver stones, so we can put the dog wash station right there, and then it'll have a hose so I can, do whatever I want in the yard. And also, I'm going to probably let the kids' rock wall come back around here too. And then this whole little area will just end up being kind of like a little patio on the back of the Cobb house. So, thanks for watching, guys. I want y'all to like and subscribe. We don't really do a lot as far as graphics and stuff like that. We're not a very advanced channel. Every video is just one shot. But it's free knowledge. Everybody can at least use the cob. Maybe not everybody's going to build as large as a house as I did. Actually, I don't recommend anybody building a house that large. But maybe you could use cob to doing your project anywhere. If you need shelter, there's a way to do it with this system. And so like and subscribe and keep this, just a easy, free source of education for natural building. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.